morning, one and all. My name is Dr. Sheikh Muhammad Sirajuddin, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Kohinoor Arts Commerce Science College, Khuldabad, District Aurangabad. My roll number is 23. Today, my seminar topic is Importance of Human Equalities and Justice. Dear students, we all are living in independent country. We have a great constitution of India. It give us right to freedom, right to peace, right to equality, right to dignity, right to hope, right to love, right to education, right to justice, right to food, right to religions, right to speech. This is our fundamental rights to we can access anywhere. Dear students, as we know that human rights is applicable to all human, those belong from any religions, any caste, any language, any gender. He is or she is are free to live. It provides to us free to equality, social security, cultural dignity, and giving the responsibility to survive our life to our country. Health, life, work, education, family, access to justice, law, marriages, social orders, expression, these all are the part of human rights. It provides to you equality everywhere. No one can access freedom from you. Dear students, I mostly focus on human rights and human equality and justice. As we know that the question arises our mind, what is human equality? It's a very simple and basic meaning of equality is it treat as same to all everywhere. It means that there is no distinguish between person to person. And another question arise our mind, what is justice? If the equality is there, then why we need to define justice? I will give you one example so that we can easily understand what is the difference between equality and justice. There is a family having the three children. These children want to see a cricket match in the ground. The three students having the different ages, elder one having the 12 years, younger one having the 8 years old, and the small kids having the 3 years old. All three want to see the match, cricket match on the ground. But the limitation of ground having the boundary of 3 feet. The parents itself define to show the cricket match to all 3 kids. So they provide equality form to equal size of brick to all 3 childrens. So what happening here? The elder one provide one brick, younger one also provide a brick, and the small kid also giving the brick. It show the equality, no distinguish between the 3 childs. But these equalities cannot be applicable to here to define whatever they want to. So now we want to do justify here. If the brick, the elder brother, no need to use a brick because it is already 12 years old, his height is way around 4 feet, he easily see to him. Second one is a younger one. If we can provide 2 brick, he can easier to see the cricket match. And the younger one, who is a very small in a height, if we provide 2 brick, he also see the complete match with clarity. So what we distinguish between them? Equality is there, but if we can provide equality in the form of justice, then all 3 brothers see cricket match with happily. So conclusion is that the human equality also use the justice. Once equality doesn't mean the justice, we can apply equality in the form of justice, then we can achieve our goal to give in human rights. Thank you.